Now, Civil Aviation Minister Muralidhar Mohol has made a statement on the Indigo flight cancellations. He says Pilot Association had demanded that the duty hours should be reduced from 10 hours to 8 hours, and for this reforms be made to FDTL. The Delhi High Court, also gave its approval. After that, we alerted all airline companies in the country that we have to implement FDTL as per the High Court guidelines in 2 phases, from 1st July 25 and from 1st November 25. Let's in fact listen to him.
पायलट एसोसिएशन ने ये मांग करी थी कि जो वर्किंग आवर्स है, जो ड्यूटी आवर्स है, वो 10 घंटे के बजाय 8 घंटे करें और इसके लिए एफडीटीएल जो है उसका बदलाव करे, उसमें रिफॉर्म लाए और दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट ने भी उसको मंजूरी दे दी। उसके बाद हमारे देश के सभी एयरलाइंस कंपनी को हमने आगाह कर दिया था, उनको सूचना करी थी कि जो हाई कोर्ट की गाइडलाइंस है उसके हिसाब से एफटीटीएल का अभी हमें इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करना है, 2 फेज़ में करना है, 1 जुलाई 2025 और 1 नवंबर 2025, ऐसे 2 फेज़ में जो कंप्लाइंस है वो हमें पूरी करनी है। उसके बाद सभी एयरलाइंस कंपनी ने इस पे काम किया, लेकिन इंडिगो ने जितना सीरियसली इसको लेना चाहिए था उन्होंने नहीं लिया।
Now, in the latest updates, we're learning that more than 350 flights have been cancelled for the 6th day. 112 flights were cancelled at Mumbai Airport on 7 December and 109 from Delhi Airport. 2 flights from Raipur and 3 from Chandigarh have been, of course, now 2 Indigo flights from Bhopal, 2 from Jabalpur and 25 from Indore and 115 Indigo flights were cancelled from Hyderabad Airport. I have Brian Thomas joining me with more details. Brian, what more can you tell us?
Well, yes, clearly many flights have been cancelled. More than 350 flights have been cancelled, and even now, Muralidhar Mohol, who is the MOS Civil Aviation, said that Pilots Association has also demanded that the duty hours should be reduced from 10 hours to 8 hours, and for these reforms be made to FDTL. Clearly, even the Delhi High Court also gave its approval, and after that, what he said that they've alerted all airline companies in the country that they have to implement the FDTL as per High Court guidelines in 2 phases itself. Now, clearly, this is a situation that have been saying even DGCA has sought a very show cause notice on Indigo itself, and now as we are speaking also, there have been many flights. You talk about Mumbai Airport, you talk about Delhi Airport. In Mumbai and Delhi Airport itself, there have been 220 flights delayed itself. Thiruvananthapuram has also seen many such delays. So clearly, the situation remains still very grim.